All right, TMS family, you are still locked in right here on the morning show on ETV. And as its African spirituality continues to rise in cultural relevance, so too does the number of fake healers exploiting people's vulnerability for personal gain. So this morning, we are cutting through the noise. We're making sure that we unpack everything that you'd love to know. And we are joined once again by herbalist and spiritual advisor Umcebo Ugagogo to talk about what's real, what's fake, and what we all need to know to stay spiritually safe and grounded in our faith.
Thokoza kehlala right.
Khamba kahle?
Hayi ngiyancenga mfowethu.
Asibonge mfethu. Yazi ngithi angiqale ngibuze la before singena kulonke lolu daba lolu. When we talk about Easter weekend, right? What normally happens in the spiritual realm and what happens when it comes to you as a herbalist? Do you partake in some ritual or do you also how you are guided as well?
Yeah, mina yabo nje yabo into engayisho kehlala ngakhula eZayoni.
Nice.
Yabo ekukhuleni eZayoni ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngangenwa nayo ingilozi yomoya, ingilozi yasemanzini, yabo.
Beautiful.
So entweni kanjalo siyakholelwa kumdali umveli inqangi. Kuhle futhi ukuthi ke umuntu othinta amakhambi ube umuntu futhi nakhona okhulekayo.
Sure.
Ucele umdali ngoba phela ke esikhathini esiningi thina ezinyanga mesibona amandla ethu sike sitshela ukuthi singaphezulu yabo kanti ngesinye isikhathi umdali uyena umdali wezinto zonke ingakho bazi bamqamba nangomdali umveli inqangi.
Sure. When you say that, we're touching a very very profound and powerful, conversation today, because you're mentioning something that says sibuye sitshena ukuthi singaphezu kwayonke. And now we've seen a rapid rise of fake healers, if I can use the word, with all due respect to all the healers out there, because angeke nawe uthande mhlambe uqhathaniswa nalelo gama lelo bakhona abantu abangafika bathi mebekubuka emehlweni bathi hayi Umcebo ngeke mfethu akuyona inyanga ngempela abanye bangasho kanje yabo. So we're not gonna specify in terms of pointing fingers to anyone, but we do know, both you and I, ukuthi bakhona ngaphandle with fake practices as well. So when it comes to that, in your experience, lento lebucaka ngakanani in our society?
Lento yenyanga ezifake. Yeah, into engayisho kehlala ukuthi esikhathini esiningi manje sokuyifashion ekutheni abantu balaphe. Angazi noma mhlambe ngoba umhlaba noma abantu sebebuyela ekutheni kuvela into zasemandulo kakhulu manje ngoba esikhathini esiningi idlozi belingasanakiwe, so mhlambe selizama ukuyiveza ngendlela ezihlukahlukene. Engakusho futhi nanokuthi ke labantu laba abaganga ngezidalo abaganga ngedlozi kuhambe kuyiveza ukuthi futhi nakhona awulona uyena umuntu oneqiniso ngoba awukwazi ukwenza into ingayivezi ekugcineni, yabo. So if ukuthi umuntu ophiwe kuzohamba kuvela ukuthi uphiwe, ukuthi umuntu ongaphiwe kuzohamba kuvela. Ingakho esikhathini esiningi ubone kulabo abatrendayo uthola ukuthi kuye kuhambe kuthola manje sokuvela ukuthi ke manje konke abangayazi, yabo. And then emva lokho mhlawumbe kube khona umuntu ozokhuluma ngoba ngeke ngibone nama lives abo umuntu uyakhuluma athi mina ngisizakalanga, mina kubanga nje akubanga kanje. So lokho kuye kulimaze nanemsebenzi yalaba abakwaziyo ukuthi ekugcineni balapho kwangempela.
So how damaging is it for our African spirituality? Because you're talking about something very profound here when you say imvelaphi yethu, which is very much important. And now when you tie that together with now abantu abazofia ngoba bayenza izinto ngokufuna ukuphakama or udumo lwabo without doing the right practices, how damaging is it?
Ngiyacabanga kehlala ukuthi iyalimaza kakhulu leyo nto leyo ngoba manje akasekho umuntu osezokhonjwa ngeqiniso. Wonke umuntu okhonjwayo manje kube ngathi manje sishaya eceleni sonke, yabo. Kanti ke kubalekile ukuthi futhi ngesinye isikhathi mina kunelento engijwayele ukuyenza ke esikhathini esiningi for abantu ukuthi ke bakhole ngoba manje akusalula manje ukuconvince umuntu ukuthi ulapha wangempela ngiye ngithi ke mengiposta kuma social media yami ngiye ngenze lo mdlalo ukuthi ngifonele abantu asengingabasiza phambilini ngishaya i-video call ngishaya njalo i-video while ngibe ngikhuluma nomuntu engangamsiza achaze futhi nakhona ngiyamzuma angibe umuntu ovela phone ngithi mina yazini sengizokufonela manje
I was about to say ukuthi phela leyo bangasho ukuthi uyiplanile ke leyo mhlawumbe
so kuyazwakala ngama phones kuma phone calls engiwenzayo nako YouTube nako TikTok ngoba ngisuke ngifuna ukuthi sitshengise abantu ukuthi bakhona abantu abasizakalayo and futhi ke mina ngiye ngithande ukuba neqiniso lokuthi ke angisizi wonke umuntu yabo ngoba khona la uthola ukuthi khona amakhamba ami awafinyeleli khona so kuzomela ukuthi sibheke ngenye indlela ke manje sihlale phansi ngoba yabo njengoba ngisho khehla lami kuhle ukuthi thine zamagedla kube yinto ekutheni ngoba imithi iyayifikela nangamaphupho okuthini imithi sinokufundiswa nabanye abantu ngendlela yabo so kuhle ukuthi ke samagedla ngoba asithwasi
sure
sihambe siyothola lezi ikole lezi zokufunda yabo zokufunda ngamakhambi ngoba ngesikhathi esiningi ikhambi liyafika kuwena uthola ukuthi wena ulithatha ngobugedla bese uyathatha wenze lokho okwenza kanti uthola ukuthi ke emphakathini lizofika libe inkinga mhlawumbe ligulisa umuntu so kubalekile ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi sike sithole lezi indawo lezi ezifundisa ngokwesintu bese emva lokho siyofunda ukuthi amakhambi kanje mehlanganiswa likhambi nekhambi likanje kuzohamba kube kanjani
sure hayi ke mcoba wakho ngicela sibambe kancane lento sithi ke caffeine because kuningi ngisafuna ukunpack because kuningi nemibuzo le engicabanga ukuthi unolwazi kabanzi ngalo and probably even our viewers they're looking forward to understand certain things and what to look out for because okubalekile futhi lana njengoba sikhuluma kanje kubalekile ukuthi sibuyele futhi sifundise izwe ukuthi nakho kumele bacaphele futhi and nakho kumele bagade when it comes to this spiritual world and certain things lezi mhlambe kungamelanga bagange ngazo ezingaba ubungozi kakhulu kwimpilo zabo or mhlambe ku generation to come within their family so ngicela nje sibambe kancane sithi mesibuye caffeine sikibele ngaphezulu kwayo futhi awesome stuff. Well, TMS family, we see a lot of online healers promising miracle results and so forth. But most importantly, is the knowledge when it comes to what you are playing with, what you are touching. So, njengoba ngisashilo ukuthi umcebo wakho akayenda uzobe ehleli nathi la so mesibuya futhi siqhubeke with our African spirituality ungathi nyaka siyabuya. Welcome back. You are still watching the morning show on ETV. It is a motivational Monday. It is an Easter Monday as well. And earlier on, we spoke about I'm a fake herbalist or traditional healers as well with Umcebo Gakoko. So we are back to unpack this conversation because it is the African spirituality. So Umcebo Gakoko, before nje singaze simoshe isikhathi, abantu at home, they sitting and wondering what were we talking about? And just to recap on our conversation, we spoke about the fake traditional healers online as well, which are becoming a serious problem because bajahe udumo nempagamo, besides making sure that they give the people the right direction that they need. So if we were to pick up on that conversation, right? Kukhona into oyishilo earlier on when you spoke about taking things back to kwezasemandulo and we know ukuthi growing up a whole lot of things bekuyimfihlo. There are certain things that aren't supposed to be out there, yet we see now our recent modern society, the practices sigijimela ukuthi akubonakale ngaphambili. What do you make of that?
So yazi nangekhathi zasemandulo kube mhlawumbe kwakukhona amakhamera nezinto zokuthwebula ukuthi kubonakala ngiyacabanga ukuthi babezokuveza ngoba as abantu abaspiritual siyathanda ukufundisa yabo inyanga nezinyanga ngisho noma kuthiwa ngihlangana nomuntu odayisa umuthi emgaqweni uzomthola esekuchazela ngomuthi ukuthi wenzani yabo inkinga ibe sekutheni esikhathini esiningi abantu mebebona abantu bangempela benza izinto zangempela on social media befundisa bayakuthatha bona lokho bakwenze ekutheni bakusebenzise ukuthi bona bakwazi ukuthola udumo bakusebenzise ekutheni bakwazi ukuthi baluthe abantu yabo so ngiye ngicabange ukuthi ke ngesinye isikhathi uma uphiwe
Yeah.
idlozi liyayiveza
Sure.
uma ungaphiwanga idlozi nelakini linako ukuthi lihambe likudicelele phansi yabo.
Yeah.
So mina ke ngiye ngithi ke kuhle ukuthi ke manje yonke into isibuyele emazweni esintwini njalo yabo yonke into isibuyele esintwini ngoba lento le ukuthi ke kube khona nalabo abafake bayasiza ngoba sebeyayisabalalisa into yethu yabo kodwa funeke nawe umuntu ofuna ukusizakala ukujule ekutheni ubheke lo muntu lo ukuthi ngempela ushaya khona yini ngayo yonke into ayenzayo.
You know, when you saying that, ibuye ibe bukhuni kakhulu le ndaba because now one major red flag is always ama-credentials womuntu, you know. So now, mina ke, who's going to look or seeking for that, you know, for help? How do I then, you know, go about seeing ukuthi lo uyena ungqo?
Yeah.
Lona ke ay ngathi ke izoshaya eceleni. How do I tell?
Yabo njengoba ngishilo mina ukuthi ngiye ngenze lento leyo ukuthi abantu ngibatshengise ukuthi kunama testimony. So if mangase kube ukuthi ke zonke inyanga nezangoma nabaprofeti batshengise abantu la bese beke basiza khona. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi lento ngenza umsebenzi wethu belula ngoba into esengiyinotisile abantu bagijimela udumo. Yabo mebefuna usizo ababheki ekutheni mhlawumbe unama followers amancane mhlawumbe uyakwazi ukwenza ngempela abakuziba meke babona ukuthi wena usu close to 1 million usu close to 500,000 wama followers go Facebook ku TikTok no YouTube bayitshela ukuthi ikhona ke lapha yabo kanti ungathola ukuthi kunabantu abane talent lokukhuluma yabo kunane talent yazi mina ngazi ukuthi abantu abasizayo kwangempela uyabathola ehlani la ngekho khona even nanamafoni uthola ukuthi idlozi lona limdonsela abantu usedume ngalendlela leyo ukuthi i-network yakhe i-word of mouth yayibona into engisho so labo bantu nabo baphiwe ngendlela zakhona but ngoba sesiphile generation ehlukile manje uthola ukuthi lapho nawo une social media yakho
popularity yakho
so kona kunzimana kona ukuthi umbone umuntu oneqiniso nomuntu onganalo iqiniso kodwa ngiye ngithi mina ke uma umuntu ngabo mina ngeke ngibathande futhi abantu abeza kumina ngoba baqale bangibuze yabo and futhi mina anginalo lobuso lobo obuthembekayo ukuthi ngathi ngizokulapha
as mfethu mina bengisathi like I was about to give you, you know, yawazi ukuthi umuntu ugcotshiwe nje ukunikeza yakhe imendlela I was about to give you because ever since I started having these conversations when it comes to African spirituality with you, I have that sense yokuthi you know what you're talking about and you've always been transparent. That's what I see from you. You're one person who's transparent and umuntu othembakayo ngokuthi you once said in some of the episodes ukuthi and you did say it even today ukuthi wena ufike la understand ukuthi fika la amandla akho angafiki khona. That's when you are transparent, you know, with your clients to say ebo la angeke ngikwazi, of which that's what we lack. We've seen a whole lot of healers whereby they come in and say mina lalela ngizokulethela ama million mina ngizokulethela umcebo mina ngizosibuyisa isithando sakho nithi nahlwaniswa yini hayi khuleka kusasa nje uzobe sela lo muntu
tehlekisayo ke ukuthi ke ayikho alikho ikhambi lemali yabo inyanga isuke iqamba amanga mezithi khona ikhambi lemali ngisho nesikhathi sakudala nje yayingela lingeke ikhambi lemali into ekhona ikhambi lenhlanhla so inhlanhla iyona ikulethela imali ikulethela imisebenzi ikulethele konke lokho hayi ukuthi sengizothi manje ngizoba naleli khambi uzobona mungasebenzisa le khambi kuzoba nemali ethize cha akwenze kanjalo kunekhambi elikungibulelayo inhlanhla yabo elikusondezela idlozi lakho elinokukhanya likungibulele inhlanhla iloko mina ngendlela engazi ngakho.
I like that. Asike sikhulume about what you just did right now because what you did you are accountable. You understand? Umuntu ovela neqiniso uphinde futhi ube accountable to that. How important is it within the traditional healing space ukuthi ube transparent? Akuphumela ubala nje iqiniso ukuthi yabona ke uma kunje izongihlula le ngicabanga ukuthi because now when we talk about this we're not only talking about imithi enhlanhlo okundlondlobalisa umuntu but we're also talking about imithi elapha abantu uyafika kwisimo la uthola ukuthi umuntu uyabona ukuthi isimo sakhe sibucayi kakhulu lo muntu ugulele kufeni and there's nothing that amakhambi can do to help this person and the only thing that can happen is ukuthi urefer lo muntu uthi hey ngakuyokusiza ukuthi emtholampilo. How key is that?
Kubalekile ke hlala ngoba ngesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi umuntu uzoza kuwena uthola ukuthi uziphathele mhlawumbe iTB noma uphethwe ingculaza yabo. Kuhle ukuthi uma uyinyanga ubuze ukuthi ikhona into echronic ekuphathayo yayibona into ngisho ngoba ngesinye isikhathi uzothi uphalazisa umuntu avela afele ezandla zakho yabo bese uyaboshwa yabo ngoba kuzothiwa uwena owamphuzisa lezi zinto amqedelele kanti vele bese kufika isikhathi sakhe. So kuhle ukuthi uma uyinyanga ezinye izinto uqala uzibuze eziqhamuka emtholampilo bese emva lokho kuyabheka ukuthi yazini lo muntu uzokwazi ukuthi umsize noma ngeke uzokwazi ukuthi umsize. Yabo njenge stroke, istroke thina ezinyanga siyakwazi ukusilapha yabo. Kunezinto zakhona nje ofika usebenzisa yabo nje mina ngeke ngisebenzisa amafutha endlula mithi namathamba akhona ngwahlanganise nezinye insizi bese ngithamba uyojoba la khona oshaye khona istroke bese kuba khona ke enye imbiza engizokuphuzisa yona ezokwazi ukuthi ikululamise ngaphakathi. Ukuthi futhi nakhona siyabona ukuthi mhlambe into esingeke size sikwazi ukuthi sikwenzele yona siye sikutshela ukuthi hayi mhlambe hamba kuya emtholampilo ukwazi ukuthi ufike uyocheck ukuthi yini ekubambile yabo ngoba ngesinye isikhathi abantu abathi bayahlola baye bathi bona bazokwazi ukuthi bakuhlolele nezinye izifo yabo kanti ezinye izifo ayidingi ukuthi uzuzihlolele ezinye izifo zidinga ukuthi nje uye kadokotela uhambe uyocheck yabo uthola usizo.
Mcebo, 2 questions here before I let you go. I always enjoy these conversations with you because they're very much enlightening and I love how you are always transparent and I cannot emphasize enough the fact ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siphume ngeqiniso sowazi ukusiza abantu because that's your job to help the nation as well. Now, how important is it for you as healers as well to be accustomed with the Western way, you know, the medicinal Western way of helping people? Because now you're talking about abantu mhlawumbe abane-stroke ukuthi you have other methods, other ways of helping which doesn't include the Western way. Baleka kangakanani ukuthi nawe ube nolwazi about the Western way so that we can bridge that gap because now we've always found ourselves, you know, in conflicting situations as abantu as Africans, you know, whereby, for example, then when I went back to my doctor after surgery, what but now you do understand that both at that time we understood ukuthi this is going to help also nangala kuzongisiza kubaleka kangakanani so that you can bridge that gap and educate the world ukuthi yonke lento le can coexist.
Yabona ibalekile kehlala ngoba even namhlanje kunalezi ikole lezi efundisa abantu bemithi ukuthi ke bakwazi ukuthi baxhumane kanye nalezi lezi zase Western yabo. So ukuhambe uthi umuthi uyafika kunama pharmacy anezinto zesintu uthola ukuthi lezo zinto zesinto seyithestiwe indlela thizeni ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi zibe khona emashalofini yabo. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi sekuhlangene manje indlela thizeni kodwa manje ngeke uvele usuku ukuhlanganise uma ungakuyelanga esikoleni. So kuhle ukuthi noma kuthiwa usuyigedle lingakanani kodwa ke uthi ukudlula kancane emfundweni yabo wazi ukuthi uma uhlanganisa lokho kwesintu kanye nalokho kwesingisi ngeke kuze clash yini kumgulise yini umuntu yabo ngoba if mase kubekiwe emasholofini sokukhona indlela ethize yabo nje kunezinye izinto uthola ukuthi ziyagcotshwa emzimbeni kodwa zinemithi phakathi. So into yokugcotshwa esikhathini esiningi yakhiwe ngendlela yesingisi kunekhambi futhi nakhona kunamanye amakhambi ungawahlanganisa nento yokugcoba vele irash umuntu. So lezo zinto zidinga ukuthi zihambe ziyotest ukuthi mayihlanganiswa zizokwazi ukuthi ifike ihlale emzimbeni ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu ahlambululeke kodwa at the same time ihlale kanye nento ezomenza ukuthi aglow.
I know that's very much powerful. Now last one before I let you go, Mcebo, there's a growing desire to reconnect with our roots. We all know that, you know. We've seen how people now they're going back or trying by all means. But there's always these fears and we cannot stress this enough in terms of, you know, the fake practices and so forth. So now many young people don't know where to begin, especially when it comes to their spiritual journey. When I advise, how can they start their spiritual journey in a safe and authentic way whereby abawele kulama trap lawa esilokhu baxwayiza?
So into engayisho mina ukuthi akuyona wonke umuntu okumele ahamba yothwasa. ngoba akuzona zonke idalwa nedlozi eliyobe isangoma. Yabo kunabantu uthola ukuthi banezithunywa zasemanzini. Abantu abanezithunywa zasemanzini esikhathini esiningi abathwasi. Bayanikezwa enlightenment ne-guidance through amaphupho. Kunabantu abamagedla uthola ukuthi kwakunekhehle laligaya umuthi nayo konke lokho uthola ukuthi awudingi ukuthi uyobona ngesangoma ngoba izangoma kunendlela yazo ezenza ngazo. Amagedla anendlela yazo yokwenza ngazo. Abaprofethi yabo abantu abangene izithunywa zomoya banendlela zabo zokwenza. Abantu abathinta amanzi bese emva lokho kuyalapheka abanezithunywa zasemanzini banendlela yabo yokwenza. So manje ngendlela osokudominate ngayo ukuthi izangoma zithi wonke umuntu kumele athwase mengathi ubona ngathi unabadala ila ifika ibhimbe khona ngoba uthola ukuthi usuyathwasa and then bese uyagula abanye bashone ngenxa yokuthi mhlawumbe idlozi lakhe alihambiselana nalo. Mina ekhaya nje akekho umuntu wakwaba isangoma kodwa bokunabantu abanezithunywa zasemanzini bokunamagedla from gogogo to komkhulu nakwabanye ogogo yabo. So into eyayikhona kwasemandulo. So ngeke ngithi mina manje sengizovela ngivuka ngithi ake sengiyothwasa ngenxa yokuthi ngibona wonke umuntu ethwasa. Lento le iyoyimbulela yona and futhi ngesikhathi sayo ngoba yabona njengoba ngisho mina uthola ukuthi ngangiqula imithi ngimqulela ugogo kodwa kwakungakabi isikhathi sokuthi ngilaphe. Kwakuyisikhathi sokuthi ngifunde. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kwakuyindlela yami ngaleso sikhathi sokuthi ngithwasi kodwa kungabi nemigomo yebungoma. Kwathi ke egcineni ke sokuba into ukuthi manje isiyangihlasela ekutheni kumele ngiyiveze. Ukuyiveza kwami kwaba yiyona into yangisabalelisa ngoba ngakwazi ukuthi abantu abaningi ngibasize. Nami ngangathembi ukuthi kuzogcina sokwenzeka ngalendlela okwenzeka ngayo. Kodwa abantu uthola ukuthi bangikhoma umuntu athi hey nawo nomathathu amangaka. Hey uyalapha yini ngempela yini lo muntu lo yabo. Nami ngithule yabo ngithulele ngenze lokho engikwenzayo umuntu ngigxeke useyabuya ethi emkhulu angiyazi mina lento bese kuthiwa ngiyaxoshwa mina emsebenzini. Labantu bese sifika kwi-hearing bathi abazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Yabo
lalela imisebenzi yakho akube yiyona ezokhulumela Mcebo. I really respect you man and your modesty as well, your hard work and dedication. It really is truly remarkable. Quick one before we go on an ad break. Utholakala kephi abantu mebefuna umcebo kagogo bazodinga usizo? Ngaba recommenda kwena akwena ngiya recommenda straight.
So mina ngisesowetho eBaramall. So ngaba nje nenhlanhla ukuthi banginikeze space emall phakathi ngakhi laundry ngayiqamba ngegama likagogo ngathi Madam Teresa ngathi ngisayikhile leyo laundry leyo ngase ngiba nesigodlo ngaphakathi. So abantu bathi mebezowasha impahla abanye bakwazi ukuthi bangene bazoconsult nami abanye ngibageza ngoba yabo nje bangishilo ukuthi angena umuntu ohlolayo. So umuntu uyafika nenkinga yakhe bese ngimfaka ebhavini kanye nemithi esuke iqondene nenkinga umuntu
kanye newashing yakhe kusho ukuthi uyilaundry ingubo laundry yabantu futhi kuphela. Hayi lalela sakagogo ngiyabonga mntakababa sibonge kakhulu. Thank you so much for a very enlightening conversation and we're looking forward to have you back so that we can unpack more when it comes to African spirituality. Once again, thokoza mkhulu.
Hayi thokoza khehla la.
Ngiyabonga. No. TMS family, spirituality is sacred and so is the truth. So thank you so much once again to Mcebo Gogo for reminding us to protect both. Whether you're starting your journey or deep into your path, the message is clear. Do your research, ask questions, and trust your instincts. After the break, we shift gears. Ngoba zoba mnandi ke siyabuya sithi le eSaudi Arabia bathi bekutsipa amatayere kushaye engine hey bezibuya thi ngibambe lapho ngoba ukara uyona uzonilethela yona hlala nathi ungathi inyaka siyabuya.